Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The next function that we will be learning about is the FV function. The FV function assists you in determining the future value of an investment based on periodic but constant payments with a constant interest rate. The future value is the total amount that a series of payments will be worth at a specified future time. For example, if you saved $100 a month over 1 year into an account that earns 6% interest, the future value in a year would be $1,233.56. This function can be useful in determining the future value within an interest-bearing account, such as an IOLTA account, for example. Let's examine the syntax of the FV function and the arguments that the function uses. The formula syntax is equals FV, open parenthesis, then the rate argument, then a comma, then the number of payments argument, then a comma, then the payment argument, then a comma, then the optional present value argument, and then a comma, and then the optional type argument, and then a closed parenthesis. Let's look at the arguments for the FV function. First, there is the rate, which is required. This is the interest rate per period. For example, the monthly interest rate on an account that pays 6% interest per year would be 6% divided by 12, or 0.5%. You could enter 6% divided by 12, 0.5%, or 0.005 into the formula as the rate argument. Next is the number of payments. That is also required. This is the total number of periods. For example, if you placed $100 into an account each month for a year, the number of payments argument would be 12. Next is the payment argument, which is also required. This is the unchanging payment made each period. It typically includes payment and interest, but no fees. For example, if you placed $100 into an account each month for a year, the payment argument would be negative 100. Next is the present value, which is an optional argument. This is the present value or lump sum amount that a series of future payments is worth right now. If omitted, this argument is assumed to be 0. Note that if the PV argument is omitted, then the payment argument is required. And finally, you have the type argument, which is also optional. You can enter 0 or omit it entirely if payments are made at the end of the period. Enter 1 if the payments are made at the beginning of each period.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.